The Maharashtra Anti-Corruption Bureau has written to the state government over the 206 crore rupees cheeky scam. This may mean more trouble for Minister Pankaja Munde. The Anti-Corruption Bureau wrote to the Principal Secretary after a complaint was filed by the Congress. Bureau Chief Mumbai, Sahil Joshi, live with us for more on this. Sahil, the politics around Pankaja Munde already increasing. Now the ACB coming into the picture. Does this mean that Pankaja Munde would be facing, bigger troubles?
Now it's a big thing because Anti-Corruption Bureau just a day after Mumbai Congress reached to the Anti-Corruption Bureau office and submitted all the documents alleging that Women and Child Development Minister Pankaja Munde had a scam in the procurement of the items used for the schools in the ICDS scheme. So now after that, today the DG of Anti-Corruption Bureau has written a letter to the Principal Secretary of the Women and Child Development Department of Maharashtra and have asked them if they have any say on this particular complaint. They have just informed the Principal Secretary that they have received such kind of a complaint, as Principal Secretary represents that particular department. So they have asked Principal Secretary of the Women and Child Development Department of Maharashtra to have their say on this particular complaint. We spoke to the Anti-Corruption Bureau officials. They are saying that this does not mean that they are initiating the inquiry on that complaint, but yes, we can say that kind of they have taken cognizance of the complaint filed by the Congress. Now it clearly looks like a role reversal because till 2014 and 13, it used to be BJP leaders approaching Anti-Corruption Bureau with the complaint against UPA ministers, Congress and NCP ministers, and now it is Congress approaching Anti-Corruption Bureau offices with the complaint against the BJP ministers.
Sahil, how is the opposition now upping the ante as far as Pankaja Munde is concerned? There are protests that are taking place across Maharashtra. What is the opposition demanding apart from her arrest? Okay, Sahil, we have lost that line with Sahil Joshi. We'll try and reconnect with him. Meanwhile, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has given a clean chit, a virtual clean chit to Women and Child Development Minister Pankaja Munde. Emerging from a meeting with the Prime Minister, Fadnavis said no conclusion could be reached without looking at the facts first. Let's listen.
Sir, what about Pankaja Munde? Did the Prime Minister ask anything about her and the scam?
No.
Sir, what will you do in that case, sir?
सर कि पंकजा मुंडे के केस में मैंने इससे पहले भी बहुत स्पष्ट कर दिया है कि जो नियम बदले हैं वो 17 अप्रैल को बदले। 17 अप्रैल को हमारे शासन ने निर्णय लिया कि इससे पहले हमेशा खरीद जो होती थी वो रेट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स पर होती थी। हमारे शासन ने 17 अप्रैल से ये निर्णय किया कि 1 करोड़ के ऊपर कोई भी खरीदारी ये रेट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से नहीं होगी, वो टेंडर से होगी। ये जो खरीद हुई है रेट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के आधार पर, ये फरवरी में हुई है और इसके होने का कारण भी इतना ही है कि उस समय केंद्र सरकार की ओर से ये पैसा आया था और इसको 31 मार्च से पहले इसका खर्चा करके इसका यूटिलाइजेशन भेजना आवश्यक था और इसलिए केंद्र सरकार का जो DGSND कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और राज्य के जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है उस पिछली सरकार के जो रेट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है उन्हीं रेट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से इसकी खरीद की गई है और इसलिए जो प्रोसेस है ये प्रोसेस कहीं विशेष नहीं हो रही है, प्रोसेस बाद में हमने बदली हुई है और इसलिए ये जो दिखाया जा रहा है कि भाई जो आदेश मुख्यमंत्री ने दिया था उसको ताक पे रखकर ये खरीद की है, तो ये मुख्यमंत्री का या मेरा आदेश ये बाद में दिया हुआ था, कैबिनेट का निर्णय भी बाद में। जहाँ तक मटेरियल का सवाल है जरूर उसकी जांच होगी, मटेरियल पहुँचा है या नहीं इसकी जांच होगी, मटेरियल का स्टैंडर्ड क्या है, जिस स्टैंडर्ड का खरीदा था उस स्टैंडर्ड का है कि नहीं इसकी भी जांच होगी।
Maha Siddiqui joining me on the phone line for more on this. Maha, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra coming out after meeting the Prime Minister, he said that this issue was not even discussed.
Well, that's what he says, Ankit, but one can almost be fairly certain that, on some level this matter may have come across because on the face of it, Devendra Fadnavis was there to invite the Prime Minister to Nashik, where the Mahakumbh will be held for 3 months. So basically the meeting was pre-scheduled for that. But considering kind of damage that the Maharashtra government's image has suffered because of this issue, we are presuming that at some level, maybe he himself spoke about what they are likely to do in the matter. Although Devendra Fadnavis said that no, this matter was not discussed, but he made it amply clear that that Pankaja Munde had not flouted any of the rules set by him for procurement of any of the supplies above 1 crore rupees, because he said that rule came into being on the 17th of April. And this tendering was done in February before 30th March deadline expired. So on one level, when we again asked him about the substandard materials, he said yes, a probe will be conducted in that. So clearly the government is in a difficult and a tight spot at this point, because the standard material has been proven, because there was a complaint about the chicky having clay in it. So clearly that is something that has already been proven, that the material that was supplied under ICDS was substandard, and that the government cannot run away from. They will have to invest that. Whether favor any one party, whether this thing was done in hurry to favor somebody, that is all been left. The government not willing to, consider that demand really, that any undue process or haste was shown in making that tender. But on the other front, they completely are cornered.
Thank you so much, Maha, for bringing us all those details.